In this video, I'm about to show you how to upload your digital products on Etsy. First, open Google Chrome and search for Etsy. Then, click on the first link to open Etsy's homepage. In the top right corner, click on the profile icon. Next, click on Account Settings. Then, click Continue with the Google and select your Google account. Once logged in, click on the profile icon again and choose Sell on Etsy. Now, click Get Started, and then let's do this to begin setting up your shop. Click next to the introductory steps, selecting any areas where you'd like help if applicable. Now click on Start Your Shop. After that, select your shop language, country and currency preferences, then click Save and Continue. Enter your shop name and click Save and Continue. Now it's time to add your listing. Start by selecting the category for your digital product. Indicate who made it, what it is, and when it was made. Specify how the digital content is created, then click Add Product Partners if necessary. Then enter the title of your product. Now add up to 10 photos and 1 video showcasing the digital product by dragging files from your computer. Upload the digital file by dragging it to the designated area. Next, enter the description, price, and inventory. Specify the quantity available. Continue filling out the remaining product details as prompted. Finally, click Save and Continue to complete your listing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.